How to sort by distance on Facebook Marketplace. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily sort by distance on your Facebook Marketplace. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. So first open up your Facebook app, and then once you're in your Facebook app, tap on the Marketplace here. Then once you are in Marketplace, search for that product that you want. So I'm just gonna search for bike for example, and then after you search you have to tap on filters, then here tap on sort by, and then here you get the option of distance nearest first. So select it, tap here to select, and then tap on see items, and now the searches are sorted by the nearest distance. So this is how you can sort by distance on Facebook Marketplace. Thanks for watching.